What's up everybody, my name is Clinton Norris.
Tristan Sutrisno here.
My name is Lucas Stoney.
Today we're going to show you some of our favorite products,
What we love about them, how we love to use them,
And how they're gonna be best utilized behind the chair.
I hope you enjoy.
Next up, let's talk about our Super Skinny line, which is gonna give us great added benefits in terms of smoothing the hair. It's gonna control our frizz, it's going to soften the texture, and it's gonna prevent us from further damage. Let's talk about our Super Skinny shampoo. This shampoo is going to be a mild daily cleanser that's gonna help smooth down our strands and provide manageability and control. One thing I love about Super Skinny shampoo is it has mild surfactants, so it's going to help avoid stripping or over plumping the hair. Another great thing I love about it is it has a Super Skinny complex, which is gonna help cut down our drying time. Let's go ahead and talk about our Super Skinny conditioner, which is going to be a great pairing with our Super Skinny shampoo. This conditioner is going to be a daily conditioner that's going to help smooth those strands and control frizz without the hair. This is also going to have a great heat protectant inside, which is going to protect our hair from further damage moving forward, as well as have that Super Skinny complex that's going to reduce our drying time. I love to pair these two together when I have a client that comes in with maximum density or medium to coarse hair, where we really need to cut down on that time.